An elephant bird. Their brightly colored neck wattles help attract a mate. This giant is about to become a father. But something is wrong. His chick is taking its time. They're running late. The flock heads off together on a road trip. When you weigh 1 ton, flying isn't an option. No one likes to be left behind. The others have already left, heading for their summer home in the wetlands. For the next 9 months, he'll be her sole provider and protector. They need to catch up convoy. Stragglers are a prime target. This is no time for a snack. The convoy has arrived at its destination. Rain has returned here, creating these wetlands with plenty of food and drink for all. But what about the stragglers? Even the very last chick to hatch has made it. As wetlands expand, their numbers are growing every year. The big melt is the start of a golden age for elephant birds.